My name is Arni Atlason. I'm from Iceland. Iceland is middle of nowhere in the north. Very north is close where Santa Claus lives. And he keeps the reindeers in Iceland when he is not traveling. I moved to America around 15 years ago and working here as an application engineer. My education is marine engineer. I've been on factory ships in Atlantic Ocean, all over the world also. I have experience repairing engines. I work for a company, Governors America Corporation, and I'm application engineer there. After I came to America, I've always had interest in making videos. I started to make a video, I think 14 years ago on YouTube, channel about repairing stuff. Then it started to grow a couple of years ago. Then I started to see that people were throwing away small engine lawnmowers, snow blowers because they didn't want to start. I got a couple of them in the beginning. And sometimes it needed fuel, so I put the fuel in, it started up, or spark plugs, changed the spark plugs, and stuff like that, minor things. So I started to think by myself, if I make a repair video, I can help somebody. That's how it all started, is if 100 people watch my video about repairing, then if one person of this 100 people will get the help from my video, then that's a success for me. Try to help everybody with this. And if you leave a comment underneath the video, then I will read them all and try to answer each and every one. I want to thank everybody that have subscribed my channel. Subscribe to my channel. It's a huge support for me.